The narcissist who once played a major role in your life is now stuck in a difficult and conflicting situation. They believe they were stepping into a better reality when they latched onto someone new, someone they assumed would fulfill all their desires and needs. In their eyes, this new supply seemed like a perfect upgrade, so they discarded you, whether overtly or subtly, thinking they'd never look back. But now, reality has set in. They're beginning to see the stark contrast between you and this new person, and it's becoming painfully clear that they made a huge mistake. You were the one who brought genuine value into their life, emotionally, mentally, maybe even spiritually, and now they've traded that for something far less meaningful. They won't admit this to you, though. Narcissists keep their inner turmoil hidden under layers of denial and illusion, not just from others, but often from themselves. They might have told you the new supply was better, even flaunted them to make you jealous. But beneath that mask lies regret and discontent. They know they lost something rare when they lost you. The problem is they don't know how to fix the damage. They destroyed the relationship, burnt the bridge, and now they can't find a way back. You won't hear them say they were wrong or that they want you back, at least not directly. Instead, you might notice subtle attempts to reconnect, blocked or private calls, fake profiles, vague messages like, "Hi, how are you?" or claims that you left something behind. These are not acts of love, they are tests. Narcissists use these hoovers to see if you still care, if they can still get a reaction from you. It's about control, not connection. They're watching, thinking, analyzing, trying to figure out how to draw you back in without owning up to their mistakes. But the irony is, by the time they try, you'll likely be so far along your healing journey that their return will feel intrusive, even repulsive. You won't be the same person they left. You'll be stronger, more self-aware, and far less willing to entertain the same cycles. Ultimately, the pain they caused and the separation that followed served a greater purpose. Whether you view it as divine intervention or simply the result of emotional growth, it happened for your benefit. So while they sit in their confusion and regret, trying to figure out how to regain access to your life, you'll be moving forward, evolving into a version of yourself they can no longer reach. And that, in itself, is your closure. Your growth, your healing, your progress. That's their real punishment. Watching you thrive without them, knowing they can't be a part of your new life, is what will haunt them the most.